Are you considering listing your home for sale this spring? And as a seller, you will want to make some very important decisions, including how much access to give to a potential buyer. Hi, I'm Ellen Wright with Heart and Soul Realty and Properties with Ellen. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of the listing process is allowing buyers to see your property. As a general rule, you should give your potential buyers enough access to your house to allow them to make an informed decision on their purchase. But of course, as a seller, you want to balance providing access to the house and protecting your privacy and your security. The best practice is to possibly have open houses. Ask your realtor if she can do open houses. Private showings with your real estate agent who can potentially make sure that the buyers who are looking at your home are serious about purchasing and they're not just looky-loos. Other ways to access include putting a lockbox on the front door, and a licensed real estate agent can only unlock that. By appointment only is another one. You can limit access to appointments only. You can do 24-hour notice. You can do 3-hour notice. The decision is up to you, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. You need to protect your privacy and your security, but make sure that you're flexible in giving a potential buyer access to your home. And if you don't, it could cost you. Your house could sit on the market a long time. So, moral of the story is be flexible about your showings. Talk with your real estate agent about how to make sure your privacy and your security is considered. You deserve to get the most for your home investment. I'm here to help you. Give me a call. I'd love to work with you. I'm Ellen Wright with Heart and Soul Realty and Properties with Ellen.